I believe in the basic. Um, One is cardio, one is stretching, and one is weight training. And if you don't have weights, then you use your body weight, freehand. This is the best form of training to keep fit. And then from there, there's self-defense, and then there's athletics kind of fitness, and new things have come out. But I think all the stuff that's come out right now is for somebody who's not been doing it since a child, it's really bad. So I won't name the kind of the new things, but anything which is like of a lot of exertion and stuff like that, suddenly that quick weight loss or wanting to get into shape quickly will always damage you. So you need to do this slowly and gradually.
Any other question? Yes, Sonoop.
सुनाई दे रहा है. He's the only one who has kept the distance between the hero and the fan. कि एक आदमी था इतने साल 20-25 साल पहले. I think he's 70 plus right now, and he is in 10 times better shape than any one of us could be. So the amount of discipline and the amount of hard work that goes into it, we know. So hats off and salute.
So, but here also spoken about a possibility of you and him doing a movie together. So
we're here for active fitness, and I'm sure even he would believe in active fitness.
I'm sure Sylvester Stallone would be. Give it up for that. All right, next question, please. All right, next question. So, okay, the gentleman here, sir.
So Salman, everybody just talked about you, that you are the fittest and you are the icon of the fitness today, and everybody is just watching you as a man who just touches everything which becomes the gold. So do you think that you are a Midas touch man today?
It is not easy. You have to work towards it. You have to work really hard. So no, there's nothing as Midas touch you. I think those many hours of practice for anything will get you that result, that dedication, that sincerity. And I'm not very dedicated, I'm not very sincere. My genes help me in this. So I kind of abuse. I mean, I just tweeted a picture of my father and me and Sohail. My dad is 78, I think 79, about 4 months ago. You very clearly see, एक हल्का 4 pack. अब वो 4 pack पीने के बाद 4 pack है.
I know who went to us.
At 78, तो we feel कि ये यहाँ तक तो खींच ही लेंगे भाई. So we also push it a little bit. But till the time, this is, I believe, till the time the belt is ऐसी ना, straight. जहाँ belt ऐसा हो गया ना, then you need to start working out. So 4 pack, flat stomach is benchmark. जहाँ 4 से थोड़ा सा कम होने शुरू होता है ना, that's the right time to get back into the gym and start working out hard. Because once you put on that weight, then it gets really, really difficult for anybody. और काय को उतनी मेहनत करो, start slightly earlier.
हाय सलमान, आलोक मेरा सवाल आपसे था कि जिस दिन आप वर्कआउट नहीं कर पाते हैं उस टाइम क्या होता है माइंडसेट की? मान लीजिए 2 दिन हो गया,
कोई खास रीजन होता होगा
और उसकी पूर्ति के लिए फिर क्या करते हैं?
सर अगर नहीं होता एक दिन तो आई मेक श्योर के नेक्स्ट डे आई कॉम्पनसेट फॉर इट. जैसे कि आज एक बॉडी पार्ट छूट गया और कल मुझे सुबह को, जैसे कि आज लेग्स छूटा है, फिर सुबह को फिर कल मेरा चेस्ट एंड ट्राइसेप है, तो फिर मैं सुबह को लेग्स मार के निकल जाऊंगा, फिर रात को शूटिंग के बाद आके चेस्ट एंड ट्राइसेप मारूंगा.
ओके अन्ना, मेरा सवाल आपसे है, इफ यू कैन हियर मी. सलमान इज द फिटेस्ट पर्सन इन द इंडस्ट्री, एवरीवन नोज अबाउट हिम. कितने अच्छे दोस्त हैं अन्ना सलमान, ये जानना चाहूंगा आपसे.
I think right now everyone is really fit in the industry. Everyone is really fit.
Yeah, yes, but there's always a body that doesn't stay constant through the entire.
Very difficult it gets, yeah.
It is difficult, and that's why I say you are the best, because I've seen the others go sway with every film and with every season.
I have no choice. every film I have to remove my shirt towards the climax. So I have no choice. As soon as I let it go, and then, ek mahina baki hai, bhai shirt nikalna, and then back on. And I have to work harder because I don't diet, which is like the worst thing. You know, I'll have my food, you know, ghar ka khana. So I'll not go into the steam, I'll not go into the boil, I won't do any of this stuff. I would rather go to the gym and put that half an hour, 1 hour extra in the gym and I will not also overtly eat, ke taste ke liye. Jitna khana hai, utna hi khaunga main, you know. It's quite a bit. And quite a few times. But my body needs that. So I will not go into steamed and boiled and all that stuff. So it gets a little more tiring for me in the gym.
Okay,
सलमान आपने ही शर्टलेस का जो ट्रेंड था वो अन्ना ने भी जिक्र किया था पहले कि आपने ये ट्रेंड सेट किया था. आपके अलावा और कोई भी शर्टलेस बेहतर नहीं लगता, तो इसकी क्या खास वजह है? ये आपने ये ट्रेंड शुरू किया था, इवन अन्ना ने भी पहले एक जगह में.
नहीं, बहुत सारे लोग थे मेरे से पहले. आई थिंक दारा सिंह जी थे. उसके नहीं, सीरियसली. देन मिथुंदा came in. Then धर्म जी. फिर बहुत सारे. रंजीत साहब, स्टारडस्ट का कवर. How amazing he looked in the Stardust ka cover.
Sir, Sonu, you've asked your question about.
Yeah, but that was by mistake in O जाने जाना. वो मैंने प्यार किया वगैरह में था. फिर एक पिक्चर हमने की सूर्यवंशी जिसमें बाद में पता चला कि उस वक्त वीडियो असिस्ट नहीं हुआ करते थे. तो बाद में पता चला कि बाल पे सर तो ब्लॉन्ड है, छाती के बाल ब्लैक है.
अच्छा, आप सवाल पूछ लीजिए पीछे. हाँ.
हेलो.
अच्छा.
हेलो. हेलो.
अच्छा रुक जाओ.
हेलो.
सर.
So when we saw the whole film, ऐसे कुछ गड़बड़ है, कुछ मैच नहीं हो रहा.
हाँ सर, पूछिए सर.
Salman, do you believe that if you have a good body, then show it off? Like, this is what you believe?
It depends on how you show it off.
The way you
depends
show it off.
Depends on where. अब emotional scene कर रहे हो और आप body दिखा रहे हो. That doesn't make any sense. अच्छा, ओ जाने जाना, that was by mistake. So I just started training at that point. Once again, so the previous जो schedule के कपड़े थे didn't fit. वैसा like a blouse type हो गया था, like very tight. So by that time, the dress designer would go back to Bombay and get the clothes. शाम हो जाती, एक दिन waste हो जाता. So I said, as it is, we are not shooting right now. 3-4 shot ले सोहेल. Bare chested case, you're mad, bhai, how can you do this? Bare chested गाना. तो इनसे वो headphone डाल दिया अपन ने, वो माइकल जैक्सन टाइप का वो उस वक्त नया नया निकला था. फिर एक गिटार आ गया हाथ. तो इसे यार, this is looking fine, so let's go ahead with this. So that was by default. अगर वो कपड़े fit हो जाते, तो वो गाना bare chested देखने को मिलता नहीं.
और उसी गाने की वजह से आज भी मेरा बेटा वो गाने का बहुत बड़ा फैन था. आज भी आधे टाइम शर्ट नहीं पहनता उसी गाने के चक्कर में. Ahan never wears a shirt. He used to always keep doing that number.
सुल्तान के बाद पैंट भी पहनना छोड़ देंगे लोग.
All right, sir, you please. You've been waiting, sir.
Thank you.
Go for it.
Good evening, sirs, lady, and the fitness trainers. It's a very general query that in life sometimes it comes that you work very hard on it and you may have to leave it. Is there any way out where you can keep up little bit of what you had?
Sir, what I do is I only do that much that till the time I come to your age, I'll be able to do it. I will never do anything which later on in life I would not be able to do.
But that means for individual people it is different. Every genetic body is different, so everyone has to know their limits.
That is why these boys are here, sir.
And then they can stop at any time.
They can stop.
Thank you so much.
Anna, मेरा सवाल आपसे है. Salman is the fittest person in the industry. Everyone knows about it. कितने अच्छे दोस्त है सलमान, वो मैं आपसे जानना चाहूंगा. वो भी लोग जानते हैं लेकिन आपकी जबान नहीं जानना चाहूंगा.
क्या सवाल लेकर आया सर? पीछे से एकदम.
अन्ना बताइए. और वो यहाँ मौजूद हैं और आपने कहा this is the happiest day of my life.
I think we've been friends. I think agar if this works for you, probably the only friend that I had from the industry when I got married was Bhai. He was the only one. He and Sohail were the only two who were there for my wedding, and I got married the year my film released. My wife was unsure that once I get into the industry, there may be trouble. So we tied the knot that very year. So Bhai was very much there, and I've known him much before that also. So it's been a beautiful journey.
अन्ना थोड़े दिन पहले आपने कहा कि आतिया के बाद अपने बेटे की अगर बात करते हैं लॉन्च करने की तो आप जिम्मेदारी सलमान पे छोड़ना चाहेंगे. थोड़े दिन पहले आपने कहा था. सलमान क्या आप उस जिम्मेदारी के लिए भी तैयार हैं?
So ले ली सर.
कब तक?
Of course. और कोई question?
Salman, my question is to you.
On the left side, the gentleman in the front row.
Right.
Where? Okay.
Straight.
Yeah, there you go.
So my question